Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for threads. So, go for switch account and now you can sign up for your uh, account. You have to add your email here and go for password. So, I'll enter my email and password here. So, can go for login. And okay, and you are done. Okay, so this is how you can sign up on threads. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.